So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Uber drivers are or will be deactivated because they're going to get replaced by robots.
Oh, in Miami.
Uber Eats launches robot delivery service in Miami. So Uber Eats drivers are getting replaced by robots, my friends. If you drive for Uber Eats, you will no longer have a job soon because robots will be delivering.
I've seen delivery robots in Santa Monica.
Yeah, I've seen those too. They literally freaking know how to cross the street, guys. It's crazy. Yeah, the next time you order a meal from Uber Eats, it may be delivered by a robot. It's very popular in San Francisco, LA. Especially for like deliveries that are like less than a mile or like a mile long, like they just need to like go on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
They have these little robots and then a little pouch inside. Yeah, these things.
Yeah, they're so cute.
Yeah, and then you go up to it, scan a little QR code, and then it pops open your food. And the thing is, guys, these things keep your food warm automatically, so it's even arguably better than a driver in my opinion, because most drivers, they're not using the insulated bags, so your food's usually cold. Like, this thing is much more reliable than a person, which is kind of, I feel bad saying that, but like, at least if you order from a robot, you know that your food is gonna be like warm.
Yeah, true.
And they pack these things with like 5 or 6 orders. And it's automatic. When you scan your QR code, the little slot that has your food pops up. So this works really well for if you order from like Chick-fil-A. Like, you know, imagine 6, 7 p.m. Chick-fil-A's getting freaking 100 orders. They stuff these robots and they just disperse them across town. And then within, 30 minutes, you get your food. And guess what?
Yeah.
They didn't have to pay a single driver. Passengers didn't have to tip any drivers. It's just like, it kind of makes sense. Obviously, it doesn't work for like, imagine if you're ordering like, I don't know, Chinese food from a place that's like 7 miles away. Obviously, that you can't, the robot's not going to travel day and night, like 7 miles. It's going to take them like 5 hours to get there.
Yeah.
So, but these things are cute too. They put little faces on them. That's the issue, is they're making them cute. So it's like they want people to be like, oh, they're cute little friendly robots.
Yeah.
So, if you are deactivated, if you're Uber Eats driver and you have been deactivated, you just gotta sign up to do something else. I don't know. Because you're getting replaced, buddy. You can try to get reactivated by, I don't know. What if they deactivate you by robot?
What?
If you get replaced by a robot and they're like, oh, we don't need you anymore because like we have robots to like do the food now.
Oh. Yeah, there will come a point in time where like this job won't exist anymore and it'll just be replaced by robots.
Yeah, or you'll like go out and there'll only be like 1 or 2 deliveries because all of them are just being taken by the robots.
Yeah.
Because the thing is too, guys, you're not competing with the robots. The robots are taking them automatically because it benefits all the companies more than to pay you. Like, they don't want to pay you, bro.
Yeah, and then the customers don't have to tip the robot, right?
Exactly.
So customers are happy because they're not spending as much money.
Yeah, it's cheaper for them. The only people who don't care are the restaurants, but they don't have any say. They're just happy to get orders.